Good old Kraft paper. See, when I get done, I can just fold that up very carefully, kind of brush it all up, fold it up, throw it away. I like Kraft paper. If I had a cloth, drop cloth, then I'd have to brush that all off, and next time I needed it, it'd be all dusty. If I'm covering furniture, now I got dust on my furniture. This way I can just take that and throw it away. All right. I know I've hounded you enough about Kraft paper. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, it comes in a roll like that. And then you just unroll whatever you need, set it down, tape it up against the wall, and throw it away. And I got plenty. Look at this. I got all kinds for all kinds of jobs. So one roll will do you for a long time.